At First Oklahoma Bank, it's fairly easy to apply. It's a 5-minute application process, and we're able to give you answers within hours. So that's the benefit of working with First Oklahoma Bank. We ask some basic questions just to get moving in the process. What we feel is really important is when a borrower immediately knows how much money do they need to bring at closing, what is their interest rate going to look like, how much can they afford. The quicker that they have that information, it typically will help them move forward and make a decision on purchasing a home. Once you have those answers, it turns the dream of owning a home into reality. So here's some mortgage tips to be aware of during the mortgage process. Make a personal budget ahead of time to make sure you know what payments you're comfortable with. Don't allow too many credit pulls, as this could lower your overall credit score. So don't make any major purchases like buying a car or a boat about 3 days before closing. We will check your credit one more time, and if there are any credit inquiries on there, we will have to have an explanation as to what those credit pulls are for, and that could delay your closing. Try not to increase the balances on your credit card because this could impact your overall approvability. Be careful not to allow overdrafts to your checking account. Any large deposits into your account other than your paycheck will have to be sourced, which could lead to further documentation and a possible delay in your closing. If you have a change in job or income, make sure that you notify your mortgage lender immediately.